Playing Heroes of Might and Magic and have a HD3D game file? These contain 3D assets used by the strategy game. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to handle these Heroes 3D files. Preventative action. I strongly suggest keeping a universal file reader on standby. It often gives you access to the contents even when the HD3D format fails. More on this later. HD3D files are 3D asset files used by Heroes of Might and Magic games, containing 3D models, textures, animations, and game-specific data. They store visual assets used during gameplay for characters, creatures, buildings, and environmental elements within the strategy game. HD3D files use proprietary game-specific formats, storing 3D mesh data, texture references, animation keyframes, material definitions, and engine-specific metadata, following the Heroes game engine specification for asset management and rendering. Your first application to test with HD3D should be Heroes of Might and Magic from Ubisoft. Proper management of the file's internal compression logic requires a dedicated utility. Windows shows minimal information, so proper editing relies on engine-aware tools. Your initial diagnostic check. Right-click the HD3D file and choose Open With. Start with Heroes of Might and Magic if installed. If it's missing, select another program. The right compatibility hook exists somewhere. If you still cannot open your HD3D file, that is okay. General troubleshooting won't work on this HD3D file due to its complexity. We need to check off these specific items before we can attempt the solution. First, letting game use. HD3D files are managed automatically by Heroes of Might and Magic during gameplay and should not be modified. The game engine loads these assets from data directories during play. Maintain installation integrity by avoiding direct manipulation of game asset files. Next, using modding tools. Game modding communities sometimes develop tools for accessing HD3D files. Search Heroes. There's modding forums for unofficial extractors and editors. Use these tools cautiously, as modifications may break game functionality or violate the game's terms of service for online play. Finally, verifying game files. If HD3D files become corrupted, use the Game Launcher's Verify Integrity function on Steam, GOG, or Ubisoft Connect to repair damaged assets. The launcher downloads correct versions of any altered files, restoring proper game operation without manual intervention. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. You may find success with a solution built on independent file logic that aims to read the file header at the byte level to identify the format, regardless of its current label. At this point, I recommend our one-click fix, the Universal Viewer. My top recommendation is FileMagick. It opens almost any format and is available right now at filemagick.com. Let me know in the comments if that file is open. Subscribing ensures you never miss another one-click solution.